Today we are going to continue the squishy craze by making some squishies out of plastisol, which is like this plasticky rubbery substance that is used to make fishing lures. I saw it on Macaroon's channel and I really wanted to try it to see if it was as easy as it looked. And this one is one of my favorites. They feel exactly the same as squishies and they have that kind of rubbery, wobbly, jiggly texture and they stretch just like squishies do. So I'm going to show you how I made these. Let's get started.
Alright, so what you're going to need to buy is these plastisol cubes. They're called X cubes and I got these on Amazon and they come in so many colors. It was so hard to choose these colors right here. There's just so many available. And you're going to need a pot holder, silicone mold, and definitely use glass today. Glass is safe and it'll peel right out. So we're going to open the first package here and I'm going to use about 4 cubes and I'm going to cut them into smaller chunks so that they melt faster. And this stuff has a really weird smell. It smells like muscle cream. When you have sore muscles, it smells like Bengay. It has a really kind of wintry green smell to it. Now you need to be careful when you're microwaving. You need to make sure that you don't burn it. If you burn it, it'll make a terrible, terrible smell. So microwave 30 seconds and stir it. 30 seconds stir until you get to about this kind of maple syrup or glue like consistency. And I actually have a lump here. You need to be super careful. Make sure a grown-up is doing this part, an adult needs to do this part. Then I'm going to pour it into my silicone molds. Again, I'm using my little pot holder here because the glass is so hot. And if you get this stuff on your skin, it will burn. And I'm going to do all different colors. I'm going to melt some more. You also need to make sure you're doing it in a ventilated area. I put my exhaust fan over my oven on because it makes a really weird smell. So it took about 20 minutes for them to gel up. It was really fast. I know Macaroon said she waited 24 hours, but mine gelled up really fast. And again, you need to make sure that you are in a well-ventilated area when you're doing this because it does smell. It smells like wintergreen. And they're really squishy. I love how easy this was. I made some pink ones and some yellow ones, and I really love this glitter one. The glitter one is beautiful. You'll see those little sparkles in there. It's awesome. Now the extra that comes out of the cup, it really just peels out of the cup. And once it's, make sure it's dry, you can leave it out and put it back in the bag and use it for later. And if you want, if you're not happy with how your squishies turned out, the great thing about it is it's reusable. So you can melt it down again and make another one. I'm really loving these. They are so cute and it was so easy. The only thing I did not love about this project is the smell. So make sure you have a fan going, that you're not in a closed room. So cute.
Thanks for watching, guys. I know my channel doesn't have any comments anymore, but you can always find me on social media. Here are my social media links, and they're also in the comment box below. And yes, my hair is green-blue, like a mermaid. But it's fading, so it won't be that color for very long. Thanks for watching my channel. If you want more craft ideas, I have tons of craft ideas and fun things to do when you are bored. So hit that subscribe button. Bye!